If you're a Canadian who's been injured by an American driver in the US or Canada, or a loved one was killed while visiting the United States, this video will help answer some of the most common questions you may have. How do I pay for medical costs if I'm injured in the United States? If you purchase travel insurance, that may cover the cost of your emergency medical treatment. For those traveling without extra insurance, most provincial health insurance plans do not cover out-of-country medical treatment. Each provincial plan offers only a very small benefit, like $50 or $100 per emergency room visit. And that's little comfort when the typical emergency room visit in the United States costs thousands of dollars. Do I have legal rights against the U.S. citizen who caused the accident? Yes, you have rights in both Canada and the United States against an American that has negligently caused a death or injury. But Canada and the United States are different countries. The laws are different, the insurance companies are different, and the rules for how to make claims are different. How do I bring a claim against the U.S. citizen who caused the accident? Well, that's a little bit more complicated. The starting point is to identify all of the potential insurances that may apply. And there is an interplay between the American's auto insurance and the Canadian auto insurance. And there are rules that apply as to how, when, and where you are allowed to bring a claim. Do I need a personal injury lawyer? Well, as a general rule, victims who make claims without an experienced attorney receive smaller settlements than those who enlist the services of a reputable personal injury firm. The more serious the injury, the more you need an attorney to ensure you receive fair compensation for your family. Do I need a lawyer right now? Well, time is not your friend. There are specific time limits called statutes of limitations that apply in both Canada and the United States. These give you a certain amount of time to bring a claim. If you miss these deadlines, you simply don't have a case anymore. And the deadlines are different between the various United States and the various Canadian provinces. How do I pay for a personal injury lawyer? Well, our firm operates on a contingency fee basis, so we get paid only if we recover compensation for you and your family. The fee is normally a percentage of your final settlement, and we also advance all the costs of the case. And our costs are only reimbursed at the end of the case when you recover compensation. In other words, if we don't win for you, you don't pay. You guys are far away, and do I need to find a local lawyer? We can do most of the work we need with insurance companies, your medical providers, even the court, through phone, mail, fax, and email. And by far, most cases settle without having to go through trial, and you'll probably never have to go to court. The most important thing for your case is to have a law firm that is experienced in handling the type of case that involves international law such as yours. How can I get more information? To learn more about us, watch our video on who we are. Consultations with us are free, so call us and tell us your story. If you decide we're the right fit for your case, we'll move forward together.